and welcome to a new video. This is the Everyday Life collection, and you're gonna see now an unpacking video. And let's jump right into the previews I have created for this collection. This collection is a little bit older, and it's created in 2000 and I think it was 15 or earlier, and I still think this is one of the most beautiful collection I have created. Especially I love the colors, they are so fresh and reminds me of spring. And yes, it's now re-released at my lily pad store, and yes, let's see what's in those folders. These are the previews of the collection, and this is what all is included in the bundle. And the bundle is already released, and the extra pack will also follow into the lily pad store. So let's go in the first artsy bits and pieces folder. You can see here is an ampersand. It's a little bit of transparent, and we have here some strokes and patterned artsy bits. We have a bead, and here a bottle cap and brackets, a nice bow, a doodled frame. This is my this is done by me. So we have frames and flowers, a lot flowers. So some of those realistic flowers, they have also a realistic shadow version included, and some washi tapes and torn paper, transparencies, and stitches. And this is the artsy bits and pieces pack A, and then we have a second artsy bits and pieces pack. It's the pack B, and this is also in full with transparent overlays and doodled flowers. We have here some ribbons, lace, also here realistic flowers, and some more realistic roses. Also they come with an realistic shadow version, and then we have here stitched border, and here we have also some stitches, more washi tapes, and also more torn papers. We have here some threads and transparencies, and some more flowers. The pack includes as far I know 30 those they don't count here. We have here 34 elements, and the artsy bits and pieces A pack does have also 34 different elements. Then the next pack are the artsy frames. They come in PSD and TIFF files, and they are already created and pre-designed, so you only need to open them in your Photoshop or your Photoshop Elements and drag and drop your own image into that one. Let's open fast an image here. Let's see which one we can use. Oh, we shouldn't need. I want this folder, right? They are here. Let's use this one. Okay, let's drag and drop that. That's a little bit small. And let's place that here underneath the frame. We have here the frame, and we use the magic tool, and we clip that. No, we clip the photo over here. So you have that now placed, and this is how it can look. What you also can do is you can use the watercolor in the background as a mask. Let's click on the photo, and we can make it bigger and clip that directly onto on the watercolor mask. And for that you maybe need to a little bit move the watercolor with your image, so that also the whole image will be placed underneath the frame. This is the artsy frames, and they are in, you get 5 different versions or 5 different designs in PSD and also in a TIFF format. So when you open them, you can open them in Photoshop and Photoshop Elements and all graphic apps who provide you TIFF and PSD files. And the next packs are the doodles, and they are very cute. They are already, how I already say, they are doodled. You get here with a little bit with a marker. They are filled up here with I recolored them. God, I can't talk, just I'm so, well, a little bit stressed from work, but I thought I need to create a nice video for you with this super awesome collection. Okay, there are a lot of frames, and you can use them in so many ways, I think, and you can combine them with each other. And here is an arrow and a round frame, and you get here some honeycombs, feathers. Those feathers are really lovely. And also here we have some photo images, also that one, and pretty nice. These are the everyday life doodles, and of course we have some magic lights coordinating to this collection, and they look like this, hearts, and we have here some stars combined with hearts, and you get 14 different magic lights in this collection. Then we have the papers coming up now, and we have the design papers, and they look like that one, and I really like that. I totally forgot this collection, and when I now see again those papers, they are so awesome. And this one with the letters, you can overlay. This is only an overlay. It's transparent, how you can see here. And when you open them in Photoshop, you can place it on top of another paper, for example. And you can change the color if you have already the styles from all of my collection. You can use maybe another color or a style, maybe a gesso style, so you have a little bit of a gesso feeling. But those styles are not included in this collection, so you maybe can switch to another collection, a new one, where I provide already those styles, so you can see what you can do here with this super cute overlay here. Yes, these are the design papers for this collection, and then we have the solid ones, also important. We have here some ombre colors, soft textures, a little bit of strokes here, and a little bit of scratchy, not much texture, but a little bit, and of course those nice ombre effects. See what we have here. These are the papers and the solid papers. And then we have another pack. It's called the watercolor papers. And when you open them and when you zoom in, let's zoom in, you get this canvas texture to see here. Sorry. And we have that one, a lot of white. So when you open them, you have a lot of white space to maybe leave it how it is and only decorate around the already created watercolor splash here. You can turn it up or turn it down, or change the direction of the whole paper. So there are a lot of different ways to use them, and I think they are pretty cool. Also here with a lot of splashes, a little bit softer these, and yes, these are the papers, the watercolor papers in this collection. Then we have some photo masks. Also here a little bit they got a little bit of vintage style here with a lot of brushwork around, and here are some brush strokes, and then we have here some little bit word arts from an old book, and then we have here hearts and splashes, and yes, these are the photo mask of this collection. Let's go back over here, and you get 5 different ones here. And then we have the word arts of this collection. There are 2 folders when you have the download, and then there's the black folder, and then we have the colored one. First we go into the black one. This is how they look like, only black and outlined text here. You have always 2 versions of the day. Sunday, it's all one version with the outline, and then we have those doodled font here also as a version. So you have Monday to Sunday, and also some nice words. And then the second pack are the colored one, and those I have already created and colored for you with a kind of marker, and this is how it looks like. So they are pretty cute, and I think you will really love to use them, and you can create a nice layout with those word arts. Okay, this is what you get, and then what we can check in is here. The creative team created really nice layouts with this collection, and you can get here some inspiration, and I hope you enjoyed to work with all those really nice elements in this bundle. Okay, this was the unpacking of the Everyday Life collection, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good time and see you soon. Bye.